Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Weatherford, Texas, and today we are getting back to basics. Most people forgot that we are waterproofing specialists. We solve water issues coming through concrete, and from time to time we do special projects. We had someone that found us online, and they haven't been able to find anyone that could waterproof these troughs that they have on their property. It's a very nice farm with a couple of 100 acres, and they asked Basement Kings, could we work our magic? Not a problem. This is a trough that is cattle feed out of. You can see that it is many, many years old. This property is 4 generations out here on this farm, and every other year they're having problems with the water dissipating, and the water bill has just gone through the roof this last year. And they said they need a way to be able to make sure that it's waterproof, but it doesn't harm the cattle. And our waterproofing that we're going to use for this project is going to be a crystalline waterproofing because it works in potable water tanks. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this up, clean all the water out, repair all the cracks, and it's going to be the only time that they're going to touch this trough again in the next 20 or 30 years. And we guarantee it. That is why we are out here to show what our waterproofing can do. Not just our basements, but any concrete foundations, any areas that is in this situation, we were able to clean, chip out, fill all the cracks in, and make it like new. And that is what we're here to do. And I'm going to do it personally. Finish cleaning out this trough that we're going to waterproof and seal it. Make sure that it doesn't have to be redone again. You see, the first thing we did was we chipped out the cracks, and then we filled them in with grout. See it? And all the rest of the cracks down at the bottom are hairline cracks, which means they're just superficial cracks. And you can see we've done it on both sides. And now we're going to put in our first coat of waterproofing. There was a hole in the bottom right-hand side, and you can see that it's been filled in. So the water's not going to no longer come out here on the corner. And with that grout, it's not going to have a problem ever again. So now that we've seen before we put our first coat in, let's get busy.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, then please subscribe or like our channels and visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.